Hey folks, thanks for hanging out with me, Train Crazy here, coming at you between Howardville Road and Alabama Road. We are looking at NS 735 sitting there. It is an empty coal train bound for Memphis, but it's had to pull up and wait. There's another northbound going to be coming up beside it here in just a bit. But that coal train supposedly has BNSF 5872, something like that, the 25th anniversary unit on it. So I kind of suspect that after this other train goes by, they're going to let these guys go by. So maybe we'll get a double here. We'll see. I have no idea if there's anything special on this other train, but I guess we'll find out. But we should see it popping over the hill here in just a little bit. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause here till it gets a little closer and we'll come back at you. Stand by. Alright folks, back at you here. Took a brief pause. That train should be, he's coming up the hill, I can hear it, but we should be seeing his headlights here any second now. There he comes. Yeah. I'll start backing off here a little bit. Shots like this are pretty cool. Gates are down. Whoo-wee, that was cold. My goodness. Well, let's get zoomed back in over here. on this empty coal train and see if they're going to give him the go ahead here in a little bit. They'll put a little bit of space between them, I'm sure. But that ethanol train, them boys weren't wasting any time. So, let's see what happens here. Alright folks, I'm going to pause this for just a minute. We'll be back. Well folks, we're still here. Haven't heard a whole lot on the radio yet. And they haven't thrown the switch for him to cross over on the main line 1 yet. So we're going to stand a post here just a couple more minutes and see what happens. So we'll be back. Well, alrighty folks, I'm back again, so I'm not hearing anything. They still haven't thrown the switch for him to cross over, so I guess they're going to make him sit there and wait on another one. So I guess we'll have to end this one right here because we don't know what's going on. But anyway, we got an ethanol train out of it. We'll hang out here a few minutes and see if they give this guy the green. If so, we'll get him. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm going to shut this one off right here. Train Crazy out.